How to make Sagittarius man fall in love with you. A Sagittarius man is full of energy, curiosity, and a deep love for freedom. Born under the fire sign and ruled by Jupiter, he's adventurous, smart, and full of charm. But his heart is not easy to win. He looks for someone who can match his thirst for life, freedom, and deep conversation. If you want to capture his attention and, more importantly, his heart, these 10 simple guides will help. Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. 10 guides how to make a Sagittarius man fall in love with you. 1. Be adventurous. Sagittarius men love exploring. Whether it's travel, food, or new ideas, show him you're open to trying new things. Let life surprise you, and he'll want you by his side. 2. Talk about big ideas. He enjoys deep, smart conversations. Skip the small talk and speak about life, dreams, and the world. Show him that you think deeply and can challenge his views respectfully. 3. Stay positive. He's drawn to people who are happy, hopeful, and full of life. If you can keep smiling even when life is tough, he'll admire your strength and joy. 4. Give him space. Sagittarius men need freedom. Don't try to control him. Let him explore, travel, or be alone when he needs it. He'll come back when he knows you trust him. 5. Keep things interesting. Don't be boring. Change your routine, surprise him with new plans, or share something unexpected. He loves mystery and excitement. 6. Be funny and lighthearted. He loves to laugh. A good sense of humor is a must. Joke around, tease playfully, and don't take things too seriously. 7. Show your passion, whether it's music, art, work, or a hobby. Show him what excites you. Passion makes you attractive and shows him you have a full life of your own. 8. Be honest and calm. He values honesty but doesn't like too much drama. Be real about your feelings, but stay calm. Clear, honest talk works best with him. 9. Enjoy nature and travel. He feels alive in nature and new places. Go hiking, plan a trip, or enjoy a sunset together. He'll see you as his perfect travel mate. 10. Be yourself. Most of all, stay true to who you are. Sagittarius men love people who are real, strong, and always growing. Don't pretend, just grow, shine, and let him see the real you. To make a Sagittarius man fall in love, you need to be fun, real, and free. Match his love for life, give him space, and stay honest. If your spirit connects with his wild heart, love will follow. Do you want to keep your man's eyes on you and only you? Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.